sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Malibu. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.